So you think you've had a rough day now and then. Maybe things didn't work out the way you planned. But did you take food and nourishment? Did you take steps to where you went? Did you shape some words to tell us what you meant? Payton's had more than her share of suffering. Extended hospital stays and surgeries. Needles are normal in her world. Treatments and tubes and clamps and cords. Uninvited guests cling to our little girl. But when Payton smiles, the stars in the nighttime start their show. And when Payton smiles, that's when the moon reflects its glow. And we know the sun will rise in just a little while when Payton smiles. Her mama took a pic and shared the post. Payton smiled for her 2 days in a row. I found out her name means warrior. Can't think of a single better word. Still some weary days can get the best of her. But when Payton smiles, the value of family leaves its mark. And when Payton smiles, light overcomes the deepest dark. And we start to understand what makes this life worthwhile when Payton smiles. Oh, warriors come in all shapes and sizes, buried underneath disguises. They catch us by surprises. Oh, our precious ones in their translucent prisms. The cadence of the kingdom, their warrior hearts keep rhythm. And when Payton smiles, the angels in the nighttime start their show. And when Payton smiles, our Heavenly Father's radiance glows. And we know our sun will rise in just a little while when Payton smiles. When Payton smiles.